Hello everyone, I got an idea. I got this trailer for scrap, by the way, too. If you watch the other video, I pulled the mouse out of it. Yeah, let's get this done. So, here's the idea. I needed a winch for my trailer, but can't really put one here because it'll get in the way when you pull it up the trailer because it's really not to the front. And then if I put one here, the winch cable is going to drag here, and it's not going to be any good either. So I was going to build a pedestal, and this one just happened to work. These are U-bolts off a old body style GM 1990 style. I had them sitting on the shelf, which is perfect, and they fit. I'm going to cut the excess off, but I think I'm going to make a bracket here for a battery box at some point, so I might leave them for now and then put an electric winch up here. But this one's just 2,600 pounds, so we'll see. Let's go pull something with it. Alright, we're at the yard. I got this F350 or 250 straight axle 250, so really a 350 just converted, power stroke. I'm gonna try out the new winch, see if I can pull it out of here. It's been here for a while. Let's see how it goes. I put my 3M safety glasses on. I put that compressor cover over the cable there just in case it does break. Right on the tail light, of course. Whew. It's up there. Yeah, that thing's heavy. Alright, I'd say, even though it takes a lot of work, it does work, at least. It winches it up. That thing's pretty heavy. It's loaded in the back, too, with all kinds of parts and stuff, so I'm impressed for a hand crank winch. It's better than nothing, but I think I'm going to switch to a electric. Cool.